How to convert a low resolution image to a high resolution image in Photoshop. Today I'll show you how to convert a low resolution into a high resolution in Adobe Photoshop. Let's have a look to this image. It's not pretty much unusable, but in the case if you have to use it and if you have to enlarge it here, how you usually do it, right? You go to image and then image size. You're gonna increase it. For example, let's increase it to 4000. Let's have a look at the preview. This just doesn't look right. This looks fake, right? Even so, if you try to change to like bicubic smoother enlargement, it's really soft and not worth it. So what do you need to do? Hit cancel. You're not gonna do it this way. Go to edit, preferences, and inside of preferences there's something called technology previews. Now if you're using Mac, that would be Photoshop, then it's preferences. Now click on technology previews and make sure to check enable preserve details 2.0 upscale. That's a new technology. Alright, so check that and hit OK. Now this time when you go to image size, and you will see the option develop preserve details 2.0 and check that or select that, then and then 4000 pixels. And then when you look at the preview, let's have a look at this. This is so much better than the previous. And also you can get one more extra slider. This technology gives you that slider to control the noise. For me, this value is fine. Let's have a look. Now it's pretty much useful. So this is the new technology, preserve details 2.0. That's a pretty message for this video. So this is all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.